I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by assembling core parts and laying out a compact footprint. Place the input chest, then stack a hopper beneath it. This moves items automatically. Once done, run a line of hoppers feeding individual chest outputs for each sorted item. Make sure to reserve space for repeaters and comparators behind the output chests. They will read contents. You do this now so redstone wiring and testing come fast, and you avoid redoing placements later. You now create the core sorter. Put a comparator facing away from each target hopper, then a repeater and a short redstone line to the locking hopper. Once done, set the filter by placing one stackable target item in the first slot and 41 filler items across the remaining slots to form a steady signal. Make sure to test with one item, observe the comparator strength, and adjust repeater delay if overflow happens. This is the part that decides why items go. You finish by adding an overflow chest and a simple hopper clock to protect against backups. Once done, compact the redstone lines and place slabs to prevent mobs from spawning on the device. Make sure to label chests so you know what each slot holds. If items bypass the sorter, first check the filter hopper counts and ensure comparators face away from hoppers. Then verify no extra item types are in filter slots. Adjust delays. Repeat tests until reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.